All right, guys. So we just had the locking hubs installed on the Roxor. As you can see, right now it's pointing on 4x2. So we are in two-wheel drive. Relative difficulty, I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, it's about a 3. The only thing you have to be careful about is to make sure you have the alignment of the gasket that goes between this outer cover, the chrome part, and the hub itself. That's the only thing you have to make sure you have it right. There's a specific way that gasket goes. Just keep spinning it around and then it will click and then you'll see. So this one is also on 4x2. So we're gonna take it here for a spin. I won't go very far, just to test it. Of course, additions I've done so far, you have the seismic mirrors with the matching red insert. Should be about minus 10 degrees right now, Celsius. And then you have the rear view. It's very pretty. Okay, get it in gear. Go ahead. Without my seat belt, I can't go more than 5 miles an hour. It's limited. But if you change the shift it to second, then you notice you can actually pick up and then it catches itself and slows you back. Okay, let's see. I have my little spot in front there. Let's see if we can make it there and test it. Okay. Okay, put this on the floor before I have it going everywhere. Okay. It's that little mound. Okay. We're stuck. Okay. Neutral. Shift it into follow. There. Okay. Let's try one more time. And there again, we're stuck. Okay, let's jump out and lock the hubs. See if it makes any difference. Yep, we're stuck in the ditch. Should be locked. Let's do the other side. Oop, it's cold out here. It's cold, cold, cold. Should have worn boots. Okay, we're all locked up. Unlatch. Okay, even though it's so cold, just want to point out that the quality also of the handrest is great. Hand stitched all the way around, just like the steering wheel. Very high quality components. All right, we have the hubs locked up front. Let's check the road. There's nobody coming. Nobody coming. Okay. See what happens. Oh, that doesn't sound good. Doesn't sound good. Oh, I had the parking brake on. Yep, I guess I just ducked myself in. Oh. It's pushing out, but it's kind of limited by the power. You hear it bogging down. I have my foot down on the accelerator, but it's bogging. Yeah, so it definitely needs a tune. Came out. Awesome. Awesome with the locking hubs. It's a huge difference. Nice. Guys, it works. If you are sitting on the fence for the locking hubs, I think you should get it. That was a pretty good sized ditch. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Hope you like. Let me know if you want to see more videos coming your way. And see you on the next one.